Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the DTN Management app is and how it's positioned. According to its official App Store listing, DTN Management is a resident services app designed for tenants living in DTN-managed communities. It provides a centralized way for residents to manage rent payments, maintenance requests, and other housing-related tasks directly from their mobile device. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official descriptions, the app allows users to pay rent online and manage financial transactions related to their lease within the platform. It also includes maintenance request tools, where residents can submit service issues and track them without needing to contact the leasing office separately. According to DTN's official website, users can access features like online payments, maintenance requests, and resident perks through the app. The app may also include access to exclusive local deals and resident benefits, which are part of DTN's Perks program, although availability can depend on location and community participation. Some descriptions suggest additional features like communication with property staff and account management tools, although this may vary and is not fully confirmed for every user setup. The app is designed specifically for DTN residents, meaning access typically requires living in a participating DTN-managed property. Some features or functionality may depend on the specific community setup and system configuration, and this is not confirmed for every resident experience. This app may be useful for tenants who want a single place to manage rent, maintenance, and resident services. For users interested in simplifying rental tasks through a mobile interface, this could be an option. However, overall usability and feature availability can vary depending on property participation and system setup, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.